Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your review request campaign for existing or old customer. Okay, so you already see here, we have the campaign set up already. Okay, so just enter into it, and then you need to set up a trigger. Okay, you see everything is already set up, the email, SMS, and everything, and also all the content for the email and SMS is already there. You can see everything is here, but one more thing, if you want to change anything from here, if you want to add your own content, then you definitely can do that, but basically you don't need to touch anything. Just check if this matches your content or the content you want to send to your customer for the email. Okay, so once you check everything, all the SMS and email, okay, if you want to make change, then do that. Otherwise keep everything as it is now. All you need to do is add a trigger point. Okay, so this will actually trigger this campaign and send the email and SMS to those existing customers. Okay, so just click here, add new trigger, and then from here, okay, click contact tag, and then click filters and select the tag edit. And once you select this tag edit, you will see we have three different tags: existing customers, negative feedback, and new customers. We will select this one, the first one, which is existing customers. Okay, so when this tag added to the customer, then this campaign will trigger and they will start to get the campaign email and SMS. Okay, so let me save this and then go back to the contact list. Let me go back to the contact list. Okay, now I am going to set that contact. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so for this example funnel, we don't have any contact yet. Okay, so as this is just the demo purpose, but you may see all your content here. Okay, so what you just need to do, select all those contacts, okay, that you want to send the email and SMS for your existing customers. Okay, then just click here, add tag. Okay, this button, click this add tag button, and then you will able to add the tag, okay, for existing customer tag, and you are done. Okay, so if I want to show you, just for example, let me go back to another account so that I can show you how you can do that. Okay, so I am here into another account. We have a contact. Let's say this is our existing customer. Okay, so just select this and all other contact where you want to send the email to, and then click here, add tag. Okay, click add tag, and once you do that, give it a name, and then click here. You will see the existing customer tag. Okay, just click here. Let's say existing customer automation. This is the name. Okay, you can put any name. Okay, and then just click add tags. Okay, once you do this, you will see the tag added, and now your campaign is fully ready. Okay, so one more thing, you need to make sure that the campaign is live. Okay, so go back to the campaign, open the campaign, and then you need to check everything, and here you can see by default this campaign is not published. Okay, it's draft. Just click here, this toggle button to make this public, and then click save. Okay, once you do this, then the campaign will start automatically. You don't need to do anything else. Okay, so that's it for this video. Have a nice day.